got a KTM 85 that just came in. Customer got this bike stolen from him, and turns out the criminal wasn't that smart and didn't mix his two-stroke oil, so he returned it with a knock in the motor. A little crunchy in there, so we're gonna get some things torn off and get it cleaned up and pull this motor and see what kind of damage is done. Still have coolant, so that's good. Bike is on the lift. We're gonna get this motor pulled completely from the chassis, so it's just easier because we know there's gonna be issues. The motor is pulled. Button this up so we can push it around the shop, doesn't get in our way. Next we will go pull that motor apart. All right, we got the motor on the stand. We're gonna tear it apart and figure out what the damage is. Shouldn't take long to find out. No damage here, damage there yet. I'm feeling crank so far. Got that movement there. Let's pop this oil drain bolt off while we're going. There it is. The crunch. So we know it's got to come completely apart. So we're gonna keep on going. Gonna change some main bearings. Everything else seems okay. Alright, I'm gonna get this mess cleaned up. We're gonna get a new crank or rod coming, get that figured out. New seals, new main bearings. The rest of it seems pretty solid.